So the very first move of the challenge didn't go well because I actually sold. Anyways, welcome to my 1-star deathbringer guy with 4 slots. 4 slots. It's actually quite risky, believe it or not. If you're new to Valorant, there's something I would not recommend this guy. But the following comes risky. Put him into our base, and this one our incoming comes in. Now, the second of those stones get in range, slam. Look at the rank. At these 2 units. Nothing else but dual regions at the moment because we are trying to get 12 on investment. Also, I'm talking to skill for a dimension, I think. So, yeah. Overall investment, just spamming, obviously. And so your dual gravities are really good here because they can distract the player from hitting your actual units. Makes them a lot better if you're dealing with big threats. Especially in the thing you can do second phase. And so as long as you can stay as long as you can stay somewhat aggressive, you can actually just fully keep him here. Remember these compounds, just be careful with his mouth. Also, it's gonna get do you know what spawn compound or speed doing that? Because they'll just go to waste instantly. Anyways, yeah. So there's profit of those, just always gonna use so good. He's not facing your battles while he's doing that, which makes not do damage to him. Keep your base, so that's it. Boom. It's been dealt with. Now, push. Should be relatively easy. Also, you know, the strategy is completely original, at least for what I know of. So, yeah. Something else I have to mention is that I don't even know if bombs are a necessity here. It's probably not. Could use. Yeah, I would use some replacement options actually. Dual region for. This is the. When I'm done with this, I'll just show you what you need to do. forgot to mention, dual grab weapon carries more than you. Anyways, 5-minute recording done. Now return, load out. Time to show you the replacements that you could do. You could most probably do this, or this. And then for these guys, these guys obviously replaceable. Come cause replaceable. Actually, you know what? She'll place it under the unit, just to let you know. Obviously. And then basic battle. It's the replacement loadout you could do. Bye.